The great American presidential elections were conducted 2 months back. Donald Trump got defeated in the elections. His opponent Joe Biden won the elections. But it has become very difficult for Donald Trump to accept the defeat. He made all allegations like election manipulation by the opposition party, started alleging the opposition leaders as election manipulators, all these things. But as a last resort, Donald Trump have given various speeches. Because of his speeches, there was an incitement of insurrection, and few of his followers attacked Capitol Hill region and violence erupted there. 5 people were killed. The US House of Representatives have taken the entire episode very seriously and initiated impeachment proceedings on Donald Trump. And Donald Trump was successfully got impeached in the US House of Representatives with 232 favorable votes for impeachment, including 10 of Republican candidates voting in favor of impeachment. So, he was impeached with a favorable vote of 232. This is a shocking thing. And only 197 votes are against his impeachment. Now the thing is, for the first time, an American president was impeached for 2 times in the US House of Representatives. Earlier, the presidents Andrew Johnson in 1868, Bill Clinton in 1998-1999, and Donald Trump himself got impeached in House of Representatives. But no American president except Donald Trump got impeached for 2 times in House of Representatives. As per American Constitution, after impeachment in House of Representatives, there should be a trial for conviction in Senate. Now, for Donald Trump, the situation is, in Senate, the trial should start after January 20th. As Senate is going to meet on January 19th, and new President Joe Biden is going to take up his office on January 20th, the trial of conviction most probably will start after January 20th. By that time, Donald Trump will be out of office. He will become a former President of America. Now the situation. Till now, though 3 times in America, American president was impeached by House of Representatives, a trial of conviction was not proved in the Senate for any American president, including Donald Trump. If it happens for Donald Trump and if the trial of conviction is passed with a 2/3 majority in Senate, Donald Trump as a former president will be impeached not only for his office, and with a simple majority he can be disqualified for not to contest elections for American president anytime. So, to teach a lesson to Donald Trump that he should not contest for president election again, there should be a trial for conviction in the Senate. Though by that time Joe Biden takes up his office, still there is a point to conduct the trial for conviction in the Senate. This is the first point. Many experts might think that by January 19th evening or by January 20th, Donald Trump might vacate his office. Then what is the need for conducting a trial for conviction in the Senate? There is a need. The need is, once a trial for conviction is completed, once the charges are proved, the second thing is, he will be disqualified again by a simple majority of the Senate. So, it is very easy to disqualify him to enter into any office again, and this is a good lesson to Donald Trump. Some experts say this. Now the thing is, the trial for Donald Trump in the Senate might likely to start on January 20th if everything goes on in a proper way. And in the Senate, first the trial for conviction should be passed by a two-third majority. Two-third majority is not very difficult after January 20th to get this passed. The reason is by that time the American Senate will have more Democrats than Republicans. It needs just 17 Republicans favorable vote. It needs just 17 Republicans favorable vote. Now, can Donald Trump do anything other than this to sustain in his office as president? There is one chance for Donald Trump. He may order a nuclear attack. If there is a nuclear attack by America on any country, then a state of emergency might exist and Donald Trump will get a chance to halt the transition. That is, giving charge to another president, he can halt it. The only option is nuclear attack. Will Donald Trump go to such an extent, or will he stop here? Recently, yesterday, Donald Trump have released a video after his impeachment condemning the violence in Capitol Hill region. But this video definitely is a mockery. He is making mockery of American democracy. He is making mockery of American rights, and he is making mockery of American elections. Let's see what is going to unturn in the next 5 days in the great American presidential issues. Thank you.